Oh, so you want to know how I did this magic trick with handheld fake movement in Premiere Pro? Press like and subscribe and stay a little longer and I will show you. Okay, so I am going to show you how you can do this. It's quite easy once you know what to do, like everything else in the world. I have filmed the handheld shot on a different location. I want to copy the handheld movements onto my tent clip in this 15-second video. So on my YouTube channel, a couple of days ago, I put out the video where I did a little trick, and I have really not done anything of this before. But as I am 43 years old, I think I have to keep up with young dudes, so I will have to learn some of the tricks, both in Premiere Pro and in After Effects. The case is that it's not that difficult to do some of these tricks, you just have to plan them out and they take a bit of time. Problem is to find that bit of time. It's easier to just push the record button on the camera and do a talking head video like this without any effects and just push it out on YouTube. If you want to have people watching your videos, you probably have to spice them up with some tricks. That video lasted about 15 to 16 seconds. That's not very long. I put it out both for shorts and also for long format, which is on the ordinary format on YouTube, as it lasts about 15 to 16 seconds. Today I thought I was going to go through my timeline in Adobe Premiere Pro and show you how I did this little trick. So if you go to my YouTube channel, you can see this video and I can show it to you. Here it comes. I was quite satisfied with that, but after I put it out on the channel, I noticed a couple of bloopers, which you also probably have noticed. But this is about learning. We have to make videos and do these things over and over again and get them to be perfect as we make up the road as we go. So if you can see my timeline here, I have 1, 2, and 3 lanes of video. This first one here is the easiest one, where I have my camera just set up on a tripod, filming myself walking away from the camera and throwing the tent up into the air. I can show you how this sequence really is, and if I duplicate this, drag it all over here and lengthen it, you can see me throw the tent up in the air, and there is where the cut is coming. So and you can see this is one of the bloopers. I cut this one too early and I masked out the tent bag, which makes me disappear for a second there, and that's not natural. So this is something I would have done over if I had made it one more time. So here you can see the clip where I have masked out the tent bag, and if I push on the mask here on the left in the effect controls video, you can see my mask around here. So if I drag this mask all the way down, you can see me there. And to make the tent go higher up in the air than in real life, I have pulled myself up here. What I probably should have done, I should have put this clip all the way down here where I really I'm standing in real life, and just move this bag all the way up to make it go higher up in the air. So that I will be doing next time. Okay, we're going some frames forward, and here you can see the bag goes down again. And you can see the mask, some places here overlap the tent bag with the feathering, but as this video goes pretty fast, you probably won't notice it the first time, at least if you don't work with the video. So you can trick most people into watching this, I guess. And here again you can see I am not in the picture, but suddenly I appear, and this is kind of strange. So this is blooper number 2, or 3 if you count the mask on the tent bag. And here I have cut into a new clip where I have taken the tent out of the bag and throwing it up into the air. And as the tent goes over me, I lay down and I put in another clip where the tent is fully pitched on the lawn. And here is blooper number 4, because this transition here is coming too soon. I probably should have, I'm not sure, I have to try this once more, and maybe we'll try it with some sunset and stuff, and it all will look much prettier. So I will figure this out, I guess. And here I have placed myself inside the tent, and I am zipping down the zipper and coming out of the tent, and I am pretty happy to have pitched the tent this quick. So what's kind of weird when I put these clips together and the shot was static on the tripod, you could easily see the transitions. So to make this a little to make a little more magic about this, I decided to put on some camera shake like this, and then you kind of blend in the clips together, and it seems not seamless, but a little less clippy. And if you wonder where I took this camera shake from, because I filmed all these sequences by myself, I did the camera shake after I filmed this video. Press record on the camera, move the camera a little around, and I copied the shake from that clip into this tent clip. And if you want to know how I do this, I can show you. Do you want to know? Ah, some hairs in my nose there. Okay, I can show you. So, you want to know? Do you want to see the clip I used for this? Of course you want to see. That's not it. Clip number 7. I took this clip, and you can see I am moving the camera around on a totally different clip, which you won't see in my magic video here. And I nested that clip like this. Right click, nest sequence. On the left side here in the effect controls panel, you can see the progress on the analyzing. Sometimes it can take a bit of time to do something else in between. Yep, there we are. And once the clip is finally stabilized, yep, double click the nested sequence. Hello! Go in and delete the clip. Put in the clip you want the camera shake to be on. Go back to the timeline. and magic happens. There you have the fake handheld movement filmed just by yourself on the tripod.